Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Matic from Arculus Wallet to Kucoin in 2025. If you're holding Matic, that's the Polygon token, in your Arculus Wallet and want to move it to Kucoin for trading, staking, or withdrawals, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. Open the app and navigate to your Matic holdings. You'll see a dashboard showing your balance. Great, that's where we start. Step 1. In the Arculus Wallet, look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually right on the main screen. Tap it and select Matic as the asset you want to send. Next, you'll need the Kucoin deposit address. Head over to your Kucoin account on their website or app. Go to the Assets section, find Matic, and click on Deposit. This will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy that down carefully. Back in Arculus, paste the Kucoin address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Matic you want to transfer, but don't forget to leave enough for any network fees. Matic uses the Polygon network, so choose that option if prompted. Review the transaction details one last time to avoid any mistakes. Wrong addresses can mean lost funds forever. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation on your device, and the transfer should process quickly, usually in a few minutes on the Polygon network. After that, jump back to Kucoin and check your account under Assets to see if the Matic has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a bit more time and maybe refresh the page. And there you have it. Your Matic is now on Kucoin. Remember, in 2025, crypto tech might evolve, so always stay updated with the latest wallet and exchange guidelines. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.